Good day everyone, my name is Richard Angelo Luzon from the Bachelor of Science and Civil Engineering, and for today, we will solve a sample problem involving angular quantities. The problem is, a wheel 90 centimeters in diameter turns through an angle of 190 degrees. How far does a point on the edge of the wheel travel? So we will answer that problem. In this particular problem, we are looking for the distance that the wheel travel when the wheel, which is 90 centimeters in diameter, travel or turns to a 190 degrees angle. So, ito yung representation niya. This is the wheel, and across the circumference is 90 cm yung kanyang diameter. We should also take note that yung tinatanong sa atin is in the edge of the wheel. If the wheel turns 190 degrees, let's assume that this point from here is 190 degrees. The arc length is unknown. This is the distance that the wheel travel when it moves. So we need to find that problem given the context that we only have two known values, which is the 190 degrees and the diameter of the wheel. So in order to solve this problem, first and foremost, we must convert the degrees to radians. And we can do that by initiating these calculations, which is theta is equals to 190 because the angle involved in here is 190, and we will multiply it into pi multiplied by radians all over 180 degrees. By calculating, we will find the angular position, which is 3.316 radians. It is very essential for us to convert the degrees to radians because we need it in order to utilize this formula, which is theta is equals to s all over the radius. And in this problem, I have mentioned earlier that we are looking for the s, or the arc length, because we are seeking for the distance. And we need to derive a new equation from this original equation. We will simply use the cross multiplication, and after that, we will have this formula, which is s is equals to radius multiplied by theta. Thus, we now have the values we need to find the s, which is 45 centimeters, because we will divide the 90 centimeter by 2, and we will arrive in 45 centimeters because it is the radius. After that, we will substitute the 3.316 radians, which is the angular position that we have derived earlier, and we will multiply the two values. By calculating, we will arrive at a 149.22 centimeters. Thus, the arc length is 149.22 centimeters. If the wheel diameter is 90 centimeter and if it travel 190 degrees from the initial position. So, ganun lang natin isosolve yung ganitong type of problem.